going to be the arithmetic mean only. So first let's gather a rough idea. What is median? So in a layman language, we can say that this is the middlemost value or the middlemost observation in the data. So the middlemost observation in the data is known as median. Okay? Or if we want to go technically, then the definition will be that value of such an observation or value of such a variable that number of variables above it, or we can say before it, is same as the number of variables below it or after it. So this is a basic definition of a median, that the number of variables above it or before it, that is equal to the number of variables after it. So guys, let's stick to this definition and tell me what will be the median of this one. Can you tell me what is the median of this one? So what I told you here is the number of variables above it or before it is equal to the number of variables below it or after it. So technically this should be your median, right? Or not? Tell me. 4 should be your median, right? Because if I'm watching here, I have 3 number of variables before and 3 number of variables afterwards. So this 4 must be the median. But guys, this is wrong. Why is this wrong? Yes. So you must first arrange this data in ascending order. So this data should be arranged in ascending order or descending order, it doesn't matter, but it should be arranged first. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. This is the ascending order, and descending order is equal to 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now you can see that the middlemost terms are 5. In both the cases, the middlemost term is 5 only. Therefore, the median in this case is equal to 5. Therefore, the median is calculated after arranging all the terms in ascending or descending order. So this is a very important thing. Ascending order. So first data arranged in ascending or descending order. So this is a very important thing which you need to keep in mind. The data must be arranged in ascending order. Now let's see how we calculate the median of an ungrouped data. First of all, we'll see the median of ungrouped data, then we will see median of grouped data. And in the case of median of grouped data, guys, we have 2 methods. The first method is numerically or by tabulation method. The second method is by O-give curves or the cumulative frequency curves. If you remember, at the end of the graphical representation of data, part 2, I told you there is one more curve which is known as the O-give curve or cumulative frequency curve. And that I told you I will discuss in the case of median. So we are going to discuss that here only, right? So first of all, let's see median in case of ungrouped data. Now guys, in case of ungrouped data, what we need to do is, the step 1 is arrange the data in ascending order, and then after that see the middlemost term. So first arrange the data in the ascending order and then see the middlemost term. So what I'm trying to say here is, let's suppose I have this data 2, 5, 3, 8, 7, 6, 9. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is, I will arrange this data in ascending order. So after arranging in ascending order, I will get 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after that, I have to see the middlemost term. Now you can see that the middlemost term in this case is coming out as 6. But guys, see, if I add one more entry over here, which is 1. Now in case of 7 terms, the middlemost term you can see that is the 4th term. But if the data is like this, then if we arrange it, I will get 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now see, there are 2 middlemost terms in this case. There was just one middle term here. There are 2 middle terms here. So here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take the mean of these 2 values. So in the case when I'm getting 2 middle values, in that case I will take the mean of these 2 values. So I will take the mean of 4th and 5th value. So in case of 8 terms, I will take the mean of 4th and 5th values. So let's summarize this concept. So we can say that in case of odd number of terms, I will have just one middle term value, right? So I can divide this into 2 parts. In the case of odd, and the next one is the case of even. So guys, in the case of odd, I will have just one middle value, and in the case of even, I will get 2 middle values. This is the first part. And if the total number of terms is n over here, then the median in this case will be equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. And in the case of even number of terms, the median will be n by 2th term plus n by 2th plus 1 term, n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So this will be the average of the 2 middle terms which I am getting over here. So just see both cases of odd and even. In the case of odd, I will have just one middle value, and that middle value will be n plus 1 by 2th term. And in the case of even number of terms, I will get 2 values, 2 middle terms. The first one will be n by 2th and the second will be n by 2 plus 1th, which means this will be the n by 2th term and this will be the next term of this one. And I will take the mean of these 2 terms, and then after that I will get the median. So let's see a question. The question is, points scored by a team in, let's suppose, Kabaddi is R. Okay, I'm going to write a couple of points here. The first one is 9, 2, 5, 7, 8, 4, 1. So this is the first part, and the second part is 9, 2, 5, 7, 8, 4, 1 and 3. Now you have to find the median in both cases. In both of these cases, I have to find the median. So can you tell me what is the median of this one? So first of all, I told you what is the first step. First, write these terms in the ascending order. So in the ascending order, I will get 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Now can you tell me what is the middlemost term? It is 5. So the median in this case will be equal to 5. Now if we arrange this in ascending order, I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So I am getting 2 middlemost terms here. So the median will be the mean of these 2 values, which is 4.5. So the median will be equal to 4 plus 5 divided by 2, which is equal to 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5. So that's how we calculate the median of a raw data. Now let's see one more question. Now in this question, the median will be given. You have to find an entry. Okay. So the question here is, in ascending order, marks obtained by students in test are, let's suppose the marks are 11, 12, 14, 18, x plus 2, x plus 4, 30, 35, 43 and 48. Right? And you are given that the median of this data is equal to 24. So can you help me find out the median? The median here will be equal to the mean of these two entries. Right? From this data, the median will be calculated by calculating the mean of these two entries, and the median is also given, and that is equal to 24. So I can equate the median I'm getting from here and equate the median to 24, then I can get easily the value of x. So the question here was that if you know the value of median, try finding the value of x. Now we know that we have to find the mean of these two entries, divide by 2. So this is nothing but 2x plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to x plus 3 is equal to 24. So the value of x is equal to 21. So from here you can see that the value of x we calculated, that is equal to 21. So these are the type of questions which can be asked. These are pretty easy ones.